I wasn't there when he got hurt. For some time, we've been injured.
This is not the look I was going for.
It's that tooth thingy, man, I'm telling you. Progress report 3, here we go.
Just gotta clear it out a little bit more, then we can snip it.
It's a ride, man. Hit the waves. Oh! Oh! Don't play with me. Stumper mover man right here. Oh!
What's up, guys? We're derailing a train today.
Right.
I can't see you. Yeah. Good night, nature. There's something in the bushes. Oh my god. Oh shit.
This is not that crazy.
I got this, so you got that.
Bro, I'm going insane. I think I'm on drugs. This is dumbass exact.
Yo, that goes high, dude.
Come on, get on it. Get on it. Stand on it.
Wait, Andrew, you have to jump at the very end when it bounces you up. That's sharp.
Be cinematic. Not like that.
Andrew, definitely higher than you can normally jump. What if there's a dead body and we find it and we push the car?
You know I have to poop? Oh, I've always wanted to fucking do that.
Please shit in the car.
There's a phone case. And is this your phone? Oh shit, I got a.
Yeah, maybe if you fucking hit the.
Dude, I'm nailing it every time.
Oh, dude, fucking hit the.
I'm just grabbing comfortably.
Oh shit! Oh yeah.
No, definitely not.
I'm gonna get tetanus, bro.
Okay. Yo.
Wait, I look like Hitler. Hold on.
I cut myself up. Actually? Yeah.
Acne facial cleanse. This is my morning routine every single day. First, I grab my non-paleo hydrate facial cleanser. Oh my god. Okay. Now that that's over,
I think this.
take a rusty screw
Right, like what?
My phone.
and I wipe it on my face.
That's fine. Never mind. The whole thing is loose at the end.
Now, you want to scrub the naturalness.
Are you actually putting rust on your face?
He is. He's a fucking dumb.
You ruined the shot. Oh, what if you?
Okay.
What if you make this a circle and you stick your penis in it?
He has his earbuds in. I doubt you heard us. Jeez. Look, dude. My stomach. He broke through the tube.
No.
Hey, Leo? What? What is the gym for?
No, this isn't even the gym, bro. I just don't fit.
Dude, this is just dip.
Oh!
This is a dip, dude.
Oh!
Hardcore dip.
Oh!
Mount Everest. Okay. Oh yeah. See this color right here? I don't like this color. Alright. Oh, I didn't know there was a crystal right there. How you guys doing? Hey! Yeah!
Fucking show, man.
Boo! You got it.
Serious. Welcome to Dumbass Exact. The dumbest where I do the exact. I'm gonna be hitting this car, point at the car. I'm gonna be hitting it, not with my fist. See this? I don't know what this is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is Dumbass Exact. Make sure to not subscribe.
spent $7 on this meal deal, so see how it is. Alright,
Oh, what's up?
Hey,
What's up?
hey, what's up?
Oh, shit.
Okay. Can I help you?
Bucko.
I started watching Invincible, what, yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
And I'm a day one fan.
Lady.
Oh, dude. If I got a Funko Pop, I'm gonna beat that guy up. Do you know who's like what all this is for?
The picnic.
It's this?
Yes.
Yeah, this is picnic day. Right after the shooting, who's performing?
Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy.
What's going on?